Today want to eat Korean barbecue. Cause here unlimited for 90 minutes to eat the meat. Korean barbecue, Q. We order too much. The meat, we cannot finish. Then I push the meat to you, and you push the meat to me. You say you can't eat, I also can't eat. I push the meat to you, you push back the meat to me. That's why we both cannot finish. Korean barbecue, Q. Unlimited meat. I say I just cannot finish it. Eating unlimited Korean barbecue, you need to have a big stomach lor. If not the meat so many how to finish? Cannot finish one how to finish? We only call one time only. Some people call 2-3 times. How they finish it? Aiyo, sibei 吧